10 reasons why you should stay motivated to smile and laugh every day. Every day, you may be reminded by friends, family, or something in the world that laughter is the best medicine. There's no doubt that by smiling and laughing, you can set the pace for a great day and better life. Did you know that by laughing and smiling, you can reduce stress and release emotions? There's a saying that those who smile and laugh every day have a longer lifespan than those who don't. Smiling and laughing can have more positive effects on your body than you know. Apart from giving you happiness and fulfillment, there are other benefits of smiling and laughing. They can help you to focus better and improve your health. Watch this video until the end to learn all of this and more. There are many smile and laugh benefits. This video was created to give you 10 reasons why you should stay motivated to smile and laugh every day. Number 1. Smiling every day can give you a youthful glow. One of our favorite things about children can be their hearty laughter. When a newborn baby smiles, it tends to make people smile, which can also apply to adults. In a room where everyone's smiling and laughing, there's a spread of positive vibes. Smiling and laughing every day can make you look younger than your age. People associate happiness with beauty or good looks, and this is how everyone can see you when you're smiling. There may be no need to overspend on anti-aging cream or fountain of youth pills when you naturally have it in you. The more you laugh and smile, the younger you may look. Have a genuine laugh and smile session to look younger today. Number 2. Laughing can reduce cortisol. Cortisol is the hormone associated with stress. When your stress levels are high, the body releases cortisol. Every day, you may participate in activities that stress you, from hearing your alarm ring loudly to the stress of getting into work on time. You may have your eyes glued to your phone half the time, and the content you consume from the internet can have you stressed too. By viewing happy content or reading a good book, you can laugh and reduce the production of cortisol in the body. Laughing may be a suitable option for some people. However, intense and prolonged laughter, as ironic as it may sound, can cause harmful risks such as protrusion of abdominal hernias, headaches, asthma attacks, and other negative and serious effects. So, laugh, but don't laugh until it hurts. Number 3. Smiling can release endorphins. Knowing what endorphins are and their contribution to your life is one of the biggest motivations you need to smile daily. The brain is responsible for controlling muscle movement, and when you smile, the brain releases neurotransmitters called endorphins. When the body releases endorphins, you can be happier, making you feel better. Endorphins help to relieve mild pain in the body. So, if you're hurt or grieving, try to smile or laugh more as they can help make you feel better. Do you notice how much of a better mood you're in after a good laugh? Number 4. Laughing can help the lungs. Laughing is good for the lungs because it can help you take in a lot of oxygen. The body needs oxygen to function better. When you laugh, you take in oxygen, which can help to keep your immune and circulatory systems in check. Did you know that the body's only way of replacing oxygen is by breathing in? You can aid breathing by having big laughs also. So, while going about your activities and breathing, remember how important a hearty laugh can be to your health and lungs. Number 5. Laughing can help you focus better. It's not mandatory for you to laugh to focus better, even though it helps. There's a lot of pressure from the work you must do and challenges you may face every day. You may make a to-do list and become easily overwhelmed by it. One of the best ways to focus better can be to smile through the process. Think of the end results and focus on the task. Smiling can help you to relax and think better, and this can make the task ahead easier. Number 6. Smiling and laughing can make people around you happier. Laughter is one of the most contagious things, and smiling can be beneficial to the people around you. It may be best to wear a smile on your face and be ready to laugh after discerning the circumstances around you, your environment, and the emotional states of others. This can make everyone around you feel better. Laughing and smiling every day can boost your mood and the moods of others. So, don't hesitate to hang out with a bunch of your family and friends and have a laugh-a-thon during good and fun times. Number 7. Laughing and smiling can help you release emotions. There are positive social implications of laughing and smiling. Have you ever had a long and tiring day, and on your way home, you see or hear something funny? Laughing can make your day better and make you feel lighter inside. If you struggle with expressing your emotions, then you may need to smile and laugh more, as they can help to release a lot of pent-up and negative emotions. Number 8. Laughing and smiling can make you more approachable. Hardly anyone wants to be friends with someone who's constantly grumpy. Laughing and smiling can make it easier for people to approach you. It may be easier to start conversations and make you appear more attractive in the crowd when you're seen smiling or heard laughing. Some people may be interested in knowing what's funny, so they can smile or laugh with you. Number 9. Laughing and smiling can be mental health boosters. Laughing and smiling can help with your mental health. They can boost your spirits and provide a distraction from things. Laughing can also help your brain take a break from stress and pressure, which can damage your mental health. Laughing can strengthen relationships because with humor, you can create a stronger bond with your family, colleagues, and strangers. All of this can have a positive impact on your mental health. Laughter can be like life's natural medicine for your mind, body, and soul. Number 10. Laughing and smiling can increase positivity. With everything happening in the world today, a slight smile and a hearty laugh are all the positivity you may need to make your day better. Laughing and smiling can create a feeling of positivity when you least expect it and brighten up someone else's day. Smiling and laughing can have physical, mental, and health benefits. Consciously making the decision to laugh and smile every day can result in an increased lifespan, better functioning cardiovascular health, and it can make you feel better mentally and physically. If you need to smile and laugh more, find a good and entertaining book, follow a funny meme or YouTube video, or watch a funny feel-good movie. It's best to place smiling and laughing on your to-do list or in your daily routine. Find a good joke in great taste today, and have a great smile and laugh. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, click the notification button, share, or leave a thumbs up or comment below. Stay tuned for more top floor motivation videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the top floor.